The secret of getting ahead is getting started.
Hi! So today, 28 days to PSLE. Let's read the question. There are some boys and girls in the hall. Half of the number of boys in the hall is the same as 60% of the number of girls. If there are 25 more boys than girls in the hall, how many children are there altogether? So firstly, if I look at the 60%, I'm going to change it to a fraction in its simplest form, which is 3/5. Next, I'm going to draw the model. Now they tell us that half the boys, so I'm going to draw boys 2 units, okay? So I have it. So 1 unit, which is half of the boys, will be equivalent to 3/5 of the girls. Okay, half of the boys, the same as 3 parts out of 5 parts for the girls. So next, let's extend the lines and make the units the same. So then I'll cut the boys portion up the same this way. By doing so, we'll be able to find out the units for the boys, which means we know that boys 6 units and girls 5 units. Okay, alternatively, boys they say half, girls they say 3/5, right? And these two fractions are equal. So what I'm going to do, for equal fractions, I'll make the numerator the same. Numerator is the number on top, yeah? So 1 and 3, change them to 3. So for boys, I'll need to multiply by 3. And remember what we do to the numerator, we do with the denominator as well. So times 3 and times 3. So the fraction becomes 3 out of 6. Now, the numerators for both fractions are the same. We will look at the denominator now. Okay, so boys will be 6 units and girls 5 units. Okay, so if you link it back to the model that I drew out earlier on, it's actually the same. So there are 2 ways to do this, either the model way or simply change the numerator to the same and you use the denominator as your units. Okay, so the ratio for boys is to girls will be 6:5. Because in the question, they tell us that there are 25 more boys than girls. So that's the difference between the boys and the girls. So 6 units boys, 5 units girls. The difference is 1 unit. So therefore, we know that 1 unit is 25. The question wants us to find the total number of children. So 6 units plus 5 units would be a total of 11 units. So 11 units will be 25 times 11, which is 275. So that's the answer, 275 children. So that's all for this question. See you tomorrow.